Byers Imports for a cruise-in to another Triple F meet, and I'm here with Autumn today. We recently just hit 1,000 subscribers, so we want to thank every single one of you. That we never thought that was going to happen in under a year. It's just something special. So you guys stay tuned. We got tons of content coming, so yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see you at Bridge Park in Dublin.
You're gonna say crazy lineup and then put hashtag shorts with 1,000 different emojis.
With 2 emojis, the fire emoji and the one that's like, oh my god.
Alright guys, don't mind the sweat, but I'm going to go get some Mexican food in the R8. And we'll see where that takes us. I'm sorry that took so long. Okay. Paint job did a beautiful job. Satin metallic blue.
Velvet satin.
Velton, okay.
Yeah, velvet satin.
So you got a good sound system.
Like, they got speakers in there.
Really? That's like my dream, is to like cruise in my dream car and like just listen to banger music. Bye, Autumn. I remember the first time I ever saw an R8 was in Columbus, and it zoomed by me on one of these highways, like at like 110, bro. Like he came out of nowhere. I thought I was about to die. All right, guys. So we just rode with Shaun in the beautiful R8. We're about to have some Mexican food. Can't bring the camera inside, obviously, but didn't film that much at the meet because there wasn't really nothing to film. But we're gonna go eat, and then we're probably going to go on a cruise, and then I'm gonna meet back up with Cam. So see you guys after I'm done. In the car you go. All right, guys. So the food was good. I'm gonna try to meet back up with Cam once we go on this cruise, and I'm just gonna show you guys the cars that they decided to bring out today, and then we'll get to the inside action on the highway.
That mom in the minivan not looking.
Right here, the Easton meat suit. I don't know if you've ever been to them, man, but right here is where they all rip them through.
See here, ripping it.
All right, guys, we just had a little pit stop, but now I'm going to hop in the SV with Courtney, and we're gonna cruise over to the meet. Woo! Enter the spaceship. It gives you that like real race car feeling. That dash is beautiful. See, now Shaun was driving an automatic.
Which automatic for Shaun?
Mm-hmm. Well, hey, there's nothing wrong with that, though. I feel like you get more of the experience when you're in manual. Oh, he put it in sport. My favorite thing about this car is the downshifts. That's like my
got the best downshift in sport mode too.
Mm-hmm. Sport is like the loudest mode, right?
Yeah. Corsa is aggressive though. Everything is more turned up.
Because that's like the track version. That single clutch, man. Which one do you like out of all of them?
Out of all of them?
The black one?
The black one.
She likes the Ferrari?
guy that owns it, he's real nice.
I don't see how people don't like the single clutch. It's not even that. It's not even that
Feels
jerky.
more old school. I mean, you'll like it more if you were into stick shifts a lot back in the days, old school. Yeah, but a lot of people who have never skipped that phase out, they don't like it because it's just more.
That's why I like Lamborghini too, because they
kept their old feel.
they made dual clutches, and they could have got rid of the single clutch and they kept it in the Aventador. You ain't ever. You don't use that. Another cool thing, I've never seen anyone do a cat delete with a race exhaust. Like, I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, so it's got its own unique sound. Oh, that's flames.
Getting those 720 flashbacks, man, from when I was in the 720. It's highway time.
They're kind of driving along from the gas station to here. I lost some gas. I can see
Really?
the gas gauge.
You looking at the mile thing, it just goes down.
Yeah.
It's worth it though, man. I would not. I mean, I would care about gas in a car like this,
You don't care about
but you have to understand it's V12. I understand why Shaun said, and Courtney be driving crazy, but like this is how you drive the Aventador.
How you doing?
was a good crazy though.
You rode with Courtney.
I rode with him. He flies.
It was awesome though.
Yeah.
Hands
Probably
down.
chilling,
Hands
too.
down. Yeah, dude. It was. We were sitting in 7th gear, just pop, 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 pop. All right, guys. So we've made it to the Triple F event here in Dublin, Ohio. There's a lot of sick cars here. Got the Alfa Romeo, the GTS, the 720, one of my favorite cars. And the list goes on and on.
We recorded an intro too.
Huh?
Not an intro. We recorded like a little thing
Oh, you
before
did?
we left. Just
Dope.
saying what we were doing. That guy's an Xbox shirt on.
We're currently here at Bridge Park, Dublin, at a huge Triple F car meet, and we're just gonna go through the rows and show you guys what's here, and we'll go from there.
All right, the first car is a very rowdy and loud ZR1 Corvette. This thing is crazy. Next, we have a ZL1. This is Will Photo car, and they went to the Recharge Rally with Triple F. Continuing walking down the row, we have an M4 BMW, a Camaro SS. We have a yellow Hellcat with a matte black hood, Mark V Supra, a Porsche, and a car.
Okay, do you think our setup is better than that?
Yes.
Yeah, our setup is obviously better than this. Dude, that gimbal is huge. Yeah, we're getting outplayed by the Triple F collection by a couple of miles. Yeah, this thing is nasty, the new GTR Pro. Bigger than the Sentinel. We got George's Huracan. V8 Audi 08, a couple more Porsches down there. People revving it up. We're gonna check out the hypercars here in a second, but it is hot out.
All right, so we are gonna head over to the hypercars. Triple F just got here. Quinn, what are you excited to see from the Triple F collection?
Austin said they're bringing the Regera, so I want to see that because there's only 80 of them in the world. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm speaking out that 740. I just like that car. Like, hey, look, it's so bad at me. Yeah, I will.
Yo, big shout out to Ohio Car Spotters. Congratulations on hitting 1,000 subscribers. That's the beginning of big things. So if you guys are watching this, make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already. And check out Ohio Car Spotters. Congrats, yo.